recording? Yeah. Teeny doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh. Stop it, doggy. Okay. Go. 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 Actually, I'm going to walk around. Oh, look up. I need to get dressed. I have my shirt on, but I wish I can put my sweater on and get dressed. Stay right here. It's okay. It might take a long time. I don't know. If it does, I'm so sorry. My sweater. Put it on.
Look, Mom, this is it. Look at the dress. Look. Or do you like the other one for? No, I like that one. But the other one is really nice too. That's a hard choice. For a look, come see. Look.
Just in case it's cold outside. So we're going to, but not right now at that time. But the recording is, I think this is gonna die. But I can show you around my house. Look, it's me in the mirror. My brother. Well, you can't really see him. Huh?
No videotape me.
I didn't really see him. See my coat hanger? Wait. See? There it is. That's not actually my whole house. This is my living room. The TV right there, that's the computer spot. Wait, no, not there. Here, that's a computer spot. I will bring you inside the kitchen.
2, 3. I'll have to make it by.
Open the door.
Order it.
Here is
I have
the
2
kitchen.
months to make 2 months to make $300.
Oh, 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 oh. Dun, 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 dun. That's my kitchen. Can't really see it that much. Here. It's the microwave. That's the stove. This is the cabinet. Did you want to see it? This is my refrigerator. Inside. Let's see it outside. There's a picture right there. See it? My brother made that. I made this. Wait. Heart.